Happening now, doctors at UC campuses across the state are protesting failed contract talks, trying to get more money for their student health centers. 10 News reporter Marie Cornell live at UC San Diego with why they say they're running out of options. Marie.
Well, Bill, first let me show you where they're at. They've been right around this area. They tell me they've been in talks for about a year. They say they haven't gotten anywhere, and that is why they had to do this, to get their message heard. Doctors at the UC San Diego campus weren't at work Tuesday morning. Instead, they were standing outside of the Student Health Center, the place they were supposed to be at seeing their patients. They're joining all the other UC campuses across the state, protesting the failed attempts to try and get more funding for 10 of their health centers. They're representing 130 doctors and dentists. At UC San Diego, they serve more than 25,000 students, with a staff of 7 full-time employees and a handful of part-time physicians. Staffing, they say, isn't enough.
Which we gave 10-day notice about. So we're trying to minimize the impact on student health. Tomorrow we're going to be right back to work. That's what we enjoy doing. But we feel like we had no choice but to really take action against these unfair labor practices at the table.
UC San Diego sent this statement, in part saying, quote, they're disappointed in the union's announcement and believe the best way to resolve differences is by working collaboratively at the bargaining table, not with the strike aimed at disrupting student health care. The health center was open as usual with fill-in doctors, but students we talked to say more doctors wouldn't hurt.
I think it would help speed things up. I think, for instance, I just had an appointment. I was about 10 minutes late and they couldn't handle that, so they had to reschedule me.
Now, the union reps will meet again with university officials next month to resume those talks. Live from La Jolla, Marie Cornell, 10 News.